dear sir, this is our automatic separative injection machine. Now please let me introduce this machine for you. Okay, this the model is QLQ-DTM. Now please check the separative is coming inside from here. And this is the normal teeth injection mold. If you want to make the special teeth, you just need to change another mold here. Okay, it's working. After the separative is come out, the T-bar, I mean the waste material, will come out, be separated from here. And it will drop from this machine. It will get connected by this box, by this equipment. And our machine will have one function, that is, it can combine the teeth together by this part. You can see here, there's a whole part here, and there is a slider here. Now you can see, after the zipper come through here, the zipper teeth will combine together. Okay, dear sir, if you are interested in this machine, please just feel free to contact with us. Thank you.